Right, guys, ladies and gentlemen, so Wednesday, 5th of March or 5th of March, how it's gonna be said correctly on English. And we have the great presentation for the Trade Tribe together with the live trading. You can see Jake in the new t-shirt today. I hope he'll gonna bring some t-shirts to Munich in Saturday. So it's gonna be the really great. And yeah, so like Gottfried also with us. You can see him right here with the TMX logo. We have Brian, we have Dave, waiting for other people, of course, to join our meeting right now online, and of course waiting for you to join us offline on Saturday. And yeah, so like everything is great. TMX is growing, Trade Tribe is growing. We have the really positive feedback from the community, and I think it's the best because right now the price for the TMX token it's still on the 50 cents, so you have the great chance to buy it. And of course, guys, to be there some kind of the venture capitalists right here with the new decentralized exchange, which definitely gonna make some waves on the market. Yeah, so like this year we still waiting. It's gonna be bullish. I really hope Jay will gonna provide the information about the crypto market today, where it's going because of the Trump posts about that news, what we have on the market. And of course, we're gonna close some deals. Yeah, also some giveaway should be, right, Jake? Some giveaway should be today
Yeah,
for the
yeah, yeah, yeah.
community. So that's the really cool, guys. So yeah, Jake, you can start. You can take it away, and we're gonna check what kind of the updates we have. All right.
Okay, Tim, you can mute everybody. I
Yeah,
started.
for sure, for sure. Let me mute the guys. Let me mute the guys. All right. Okay.
So yeah, so hello guys. Yeah, this is Jake. So basically, as you can see, we get the first t-shirts, yeah, of TMX now. Now we are serious jobs, yeah, serious business. So yeah, we are ready to pump. We are ready to go. So yeah, as most of the guys know, this Saturday we have the meeting in Munich. So it will be really fun. So we'll have the offline meeting. So people will meet me and the team. So yeah, as I said, we love to do it this way. Yeah, so basically you have maybe once in a lifetime opportunity to meet real trader into the crypto, real guy, see what he's thinking, where the market is going, and see opportunity in that. And yeah, as I said, last year we have offline meeting. I think it was 15 people. Now we go triple by that number. Yeah, so basically people are interested. They want to meet the real trader. They want to meet the real product. They want to meet real stuff into crypto. Yeah, so basically if you guys see on the YouTube and channels, in most of the case these are some kind of the scams or some, let's say, stupid products who want to just pump and dump. And yeah, as I said, this is what we don't want to build. This is why we go with real stuff. This is why we go with the trading, with the taking money from the market. And now at this moment, after 1 year of the trading, we go fully like with our own exchange. So yeah, as I said, this was our main goal from the beginning, to start it, to build it. And yeah, as you know, guys, this is really big. So project is really, really big. There's really big investment already done into the TMX, and now more, let's say, money, more investment is coming. And as I said, these next months will be really crazy. And as I said, you have now the best opportunity to jump in, to be one of the stakeholders of the TMX. So basically, with your tokens, you will be stakeholder. You will decide where the TMX will go. You will take the part of the profit. So yeah, as I said, guys, don't miss out this opportunity. Don't wait too long. We have now 50 cents for the token. Next month, when we go with TJ events, token price will be much more bigger. Yeah, so as you know, we will need to able to deposit the Ethereums, and basically, as I said, all these tokens what we generate on TJ events will be posted and liquid on the market. So yeah, as I said today, we got really good question. Yeah, about where all this money is going. Yeah, from the private seed phase. Yeah, so I want to speak about this. Yeah, so as you know, guys, in the private raising funds, in most of the case, these funds go to develop some product. Yeah, but for us, we already make most of the job. We already pay most of for the development. Now, next goal is, as I said, some part will go for development, but most of the funds what we raise in private seed phase will go for the first initial liquidity deposit. Yeah. So as you know, when the exchange start working, you need to have some liquidity to start work on. Yeah. So basically, this first deposit will be the part of the raised funds. Also, other part of the raising funds will be raised into the Ethereums, and these funds will be for the buyback of the tokens. So basically, as you know, when we have this private seed phase over and when TGA over, when TMX start working, at that moment you will have 3 months of vesting period of the time for your tokens what you buy in private seed phase. And these funds what we raise and we put in Ethereum, we will buy back this selling pressure. So as I said, in most of the case, 80 to 90% people stake their tokens and not sell, but these 10 to 20% people sell them. So these guys with their tokens not to take, let's say, harm on our price and bring the price down, we will buy back the tokens. Yeah. So basically, we will reinvest more money back to it, and we will also keep the price up in at that moment. Yeah. So as you know, this will last for 3 months. So basically, all these funds will be bring back into the liquidity. So yeah, as I said, with the TGA event, that means token generating event, all funds will be liquid. So basically, if we raise this 485 Ethereums, we will put them on exchange and that's it. But with private seed phase, we need the time until vesting finish. So during this time, we will unlock portion and buy back the tokens back. Yeah. So basically, this is how this kind of the projects work, and this is how we build up this setup. So yeah, as I said, we got this really good question, and I hope yeah my answer is good for you guys. And as I said, we will not hold it for ourselves. Yeah, so we are just buying Ethereum, we are staking USDTs, and we are preparing for the exchange launch. Yeah, so you know you cannot launch exchange without any money on. Yeah, so basically this is what we need to do, and this is what we need to bring. Yeah. So yeah, so let's go on presentation. Just give me 1 second. Yeah, so as you know, guys, please read our white papers on landing page. Try perpetual. Now we are still in private seed phase. Next phase is TGA event. Connect your wallet, download white papers, read them. Today I got the white papers on the German, so I think I sent this to the Gottfried, so he can also share for the guys who are on German language this kind of the version. But on Munich meeting we will also present this into the German. But yeah, as I said, you have white papers, please read it, please check everything, see what's happening, how it's going. Also, minimum deposit is $100. You need to have them on Arbitrarium network. So as I said, it's pretty cheap, it's really fast. So as I said, just maybe $1 of Ethereum and that's it. Yeah. So basically for all other transaction, you will use it. The price is around 1 to 2 cents for sending transactions. So basically, you can send $100,000 just for a few cents. Yeah. So basically, this is how Arbitrarium is really good, and this is how Arbitrarium works. Yeah. Basically, when you create this, when you connect your wallet, at that moment, when you make your approval, you will go with your deposit, and when you make deposit, you will get your tokens. Tokens will be released when the TMX platform go live, and from that moment, we have vesting period of the 3 months. So basically, these are the basics. So during this period of the time, you will get small portions of the token until this all 3 months finish, and at that moment, you will have all your tokens available. Basically, with your tokens, you will be able to stake them and get 20% of all fees what we generate on the platform, and you will be able to sell them. Basically, as I said,
Great.
in this case,
Show
yeah,
that one pager, the one pager too, on there.
yeah. Just give me the second. I didn't
I have that.
didn't put it on.
Sorry to
Yeah,
interrupt, but the coolest part about what you said was it's only $1 you need to send to Ethereum because gas fees are pennies. I
yeah,
mean,
yeah,
I
yeah.
don't know if everybody caught that, but the gas fees for this network is so cheap. You're like, wow, it cost me 1 cent to send $10,000 pretty quick. So, I mean, and it's super fast.
Yeah. So yeah, as I said, Arbitrarium network is really fast. It's layer 2 network of Ethereum. So basically, for the gas fees, you need to have Ethereums on Arbitrarium. But yeah, as I said, it's really fast. It's really cheap, and traders love to use it because most of the decentralized exchange use Arbitrarium and OP network. When we go live, we will also have the OP network, but now we go on Arbitrarium. So it's pretty fast, really solid, and as I said, just few seconds you can send hundreds of thousands of dollars. But yeah, for our guys, this is one pager, so just go quick over it. So basically we'll have two ways of passive income. First way is taking the tokens, buying now. This is why I write this from 10 to 20x. If you buy now at 50 cents, if the token price go, let's say, to $5, at that moment you have already been at 10x plus you get 20% of all fees what we generate on the platform, you get as USDTs. Basically, at that moment, You can benefit really big and really high. So as I said, if you put $10,000 and we go 10x, this is like you put $100,000 and your position is $100,000 and you benefit into the percentage from that position. So this is very important, guys. So basically when you buy now, when it's cheap, when you take your positions, when you stake them, the rewards will be really big. Also, there will be liquidity providing. So for the liquidity providing, this will be open when we open the TMX, when we open the exchange. When we go live at that moment, you will be able to put your liquidity on. Liquidity will work in USDTs. So basically, you will put your USDTs and you will give that USDTs in for the traders to trade with them. So basically, all traders need the USDTs to trade with them. When they trade, they will lose, they will win, but they always need to pay fees, and 50% of all these fees what they generate will go to the liquidity providers. 20% of all these fees go for TMX token stakers, and 30% stay with the exchange. So basically, if you know, this is one of the biggest on the market who give it back. So as I said, in most of the case dexes now, I think GMX is only 15%. All other decentralized exchange work maybe 20, 30, max 40%, but with us we go 50%. So we give 50% of all fees what we generate back to our liquidity providers. So as I said, this is one way of passive income. As I said, it's always very important to be here from the day one. As I said, from the day one, you take the best position on the liquidity, you take best position on the staking, and you get your cheapest entry. And this is how you can benefit on yearly base from 200 to 500% because you take the best, cheapest entry on, and you're building up your liquidity. Also, yeah, as I said, we're also building the bots and automatic trading setups. So this kind of the stuff will be done for the traders and beginner guys who are just new into the crypto trading. So basically, we will have pre-done trading strategies who will be able to easy copy and use, and they will be also executed on our exchange. So basically, if you're a new guy in the crypto, you put $1,000 in our pre-done trading strategy. It will trade for you. You will take the part of the profit or loss if you choose wrong strategy. But what is very important, you always need to pay fees. So basically, with this product, we will be one of the best on the market now with decentralized exchange, because on decentralized exchange they still don't have the bots yet, they still don't have pre-done trading strategies, and this is how we want to attract more traders to use it and more traders to pay the fees. Also, yeah, as from our side, we are looking now to down the range of the fees to 0.2%. And as I said, from this range and this amount, this volume, this can be really big amount of the money for all of us. So as I said, with liquidity providers, we will be able to accommodate more traders, and with this kind of the tools, we will also get part of the fees and also get a part of more trading volume for us and for the long term. Also, yeah, as I said, into the when you put the deposit into liquidity, these USDTs will be shared into the Bitcoin, into the Ethereum, and stablecoin. So basically, this is how liquidity pool works. So he will diversify into these two tokens and USDTs, so traders can use them. Also, yeah, there will be dynamic optimization on the market. Market maker will be also follow up. We will also have advanced bots like DCA bots, like grid bots, who will take automatic strategies on. So as I said, it's really cheap. It's really easy to get on. It's really fast to use it. And as I said, it will be really user friendly. Yeah. So basically, with few clicks and with really cheap transaction, you will be able to stake your money, to stake your funds, stake your liquidity, stake your tokens, and benefit daily, benefit weekly. So as I said, you will be in full control. This is, guys, very important. So you will be in full control of your money because your wallet will show you. Your wallet will be your name and your wallet will be your position. So you will be in full control of them and you will be in full mode. Also, yeah, as I said, we will not have KIC because everything written on smart contract. Also, low transaction fee. Also, there will be staking and yield optimization. Also, yeah, there will be rewards for the guys who start using early us. So basically, we will reward them with some TMX tokens. There will be some tournament for the traders and all of this stuff for the promotion of the. So as I said, it's really important to be with us from the day one, as the most of these guys are now with us, and later you will benefit the most from this kind of the work exchange. So yeah, as I said, the market opportunity is really high, really strong. Just from $1 billion in 2020, we go to the $70 billion in 2023. I think now it's already 150 billion, and by the end of the year, it will be around $250 billion. Yeah. So as I said, daily we see around $10 billion in trading volume. So you can guys just imagine. So we just need to take 0.5% of this money, and we will be all in money. Yeah. So as I said, it's really big market. It's just going up every year. So basically, as I said, we are now at the beginning of something really big. And as I said, DeFi is really, really one of the strongest way into crypto to get money and to take money from the market. Also, yeah, DEX markets go from 5% in 2020 in 25% in 2023. So as I said, people don't trust decentralized exchange like Binance, like CoinCap, because they hold your money. On decentralized exchange, you are in full control of your money because your money stay on your wallet. So basically, if you want to trade, you will just confirm with the smart contract and that's it. So you, let's say, set buy order to buy Bitcoin at $100,000 and sell order to sell at, let's say, $110,000. And that's it. The money still stay at your wallet. And when this transaction finish, you will get your money back. So basically, this is the value of the DEX and decentralized exchanges.
Hey, Jake,
Also, yeah.
since you're talking about that part right there, what makes that better than sending our money to Weeks or Mexi or BingX to trade there instead of trading in your own wallet that you control your keys with?
Yeah, so basically these big exchanges, they have, let's say, more tokens listed on, so you can trade, let's say, with more tokens. But on decentralized exchange, you pay cheaper transaction and you are in full control of your money. So basically, if something happens with coin, let's say Coinbase or Binance, or they say we now restrict the US customers not to trade futures, and they can restrict you and they will close all your trading orders. But with the decentralized exchange, this cannot happen. Yeah, because you are in full control. There is no central authority like me, like you, Brian. So we cannot control what's happening with the trading, and we cannot control other people's wallet. Yeah. So basically, everything is written in smart contract, and everything is done automatically. So yeah, guys, this is it. This is just one pager. So as I
There's a
said,
bunch of questions over the one pager since you're still here and you haven't moved on to the analysis yet of
yeah,
like the
yeah,
market. Can I just ask you the questions right now, or do you want to go through them?
yeah, yeah. We can go. We can go. Yeah. So then we will
All right,
go.
I'll ask you so that way you don't have to read it. After the TGE event, can the TMX tokens only be bought with Ethereum?
So basically at the beginning, they will be only available with Ethereums, but later when we list on the centralized exchange, we'll be able to buy them with USDTs and any other coin. Yeah. So basically, yeah, as I
Okay.
said, we're already speaking with some central exchange for the listing. As I said, it's tough job, but yeah, we will come there and it's pretty expensive. Yeah. So guys know that, but yeah, as I said, we will be listed, but it's just matter of the time when everything go live. Yeah. I
I
see
like it.
this.
And that's why you tell everybody to buy Ethereum now because it's so low. And when it goes up, that listing, you might have $3,800 in Ethereum compared to 2,100 right now. More
Yeah,
bang for
yeah.
your buck. Buy that and hold it. So the next one is, do you know what the APY will be per year for staking the TMX token?
So yeah, so this basically will depend on trading volume, yeah, how much volume we will get. But yeah, what I see from my previous decks, what I invest on, basically I see token raise plus additional part of API. So as I said, this can go really fast, really quick. In my personal way, as I see it, I see at least 10x in first year, and later after that around 100 to 200% yearly. Basically, because when we see this first pump in the coins, after that we will just take from the volume these percentages. So yeah, as I said, from my experience, I see from 100 to 200% on the yearly. But first year is very important because if you buy on private seed phase, you get really cheap and you get extra from this staking and taking money from the market. Can you speak about airdrops and percentage what will be sent to TMX holders based on their holding? Yeah, so basically for the airdrops, uh, we have the 40% of the tokens we have to for, let's say, not airdrops, but for the reward system, we have divided for into the 3 years. So basically for the next 3 years, we will share all G TMX tokens. Yeah. So basically, in this case, some users will get them for the trading, some users get them for the staking. Also, we have something for the marketing promotion. Also, for the liquidity providers, they will get some small part of the tokens. But this will be shared during the period of the 3 years. So basically, for the 3 years, we build this plan. So basically, at the beginning, we will just share 5% of the tokens, put them on the market, and later during the years we will slowly unlock proportion of the tokens and add up into the volume. So yeah, as I said, our goal is to just go with low amount of the tokens, and during the years add up more. But with the programs, with the staking, with the trading, and all of this stuff, what you get as a reward and single.
So the way I think of that, Jake, when you say that,
Yeah.
is if you're releasing all the tokens and all of us get to buy pre-sale right now for 50 cents, we can really make a lot as being early adapters to this, early people that are depositing into that pre-sale and owning a lot of the tokens, because it's going to get released slowly. So it'll hold its value for a longer period and possibly go way up according to how many people we get to use the exchange. So this is that, I mean, that's when you share the GMX when it goes from 90 cents pre-sale to $91 in 2 years, with the stats from 2 years ago down there from 1 billion
Yeah.
to 7 billion. Now we're at 150 billion. I hope you
Yeah.
guys
So yeah,
understand what I'm saying. This is a great opportunity if you're watching live or replay that we need to share with anybody and everybody. Have a solid program that isn't going to be controlled and shut down or taken away. It's all on smart contracts. So this is thanks, Jake. This is great. Thanks for answering all those
yeah.
questions.
So yeah, as I said, from our side, this is when you invest in DeFi project. So DeFi project is based on the volume of the how much money is bringing into the project, and that means that in DeFi projects, most of their tokens raise for few years. So basically, there is no, let's say, 20% unlock 30, 50%, and then dump into the price. Yeah. So basically, with DeFi projects, we are taking the money from the market, we are buybacking tokens, we are staking, and we are holding the price. And during this period of the time, as much more volume coming into our exchange, more our tokens will raise and more our liquidity will go along. As you maybe some guys see, with GMX, as I show you guys before this big dropout, they have around $350 million into the locked volume. And just after the big drop on the market, they go, I think, $650 million. Yeah, so they almost double the money, yeah, what they have into the liquidity. So it's really crazy because remember, guys, when all these liquidations happen on the market, all this liquidation money stay on the exchanges. So basically, if your money is being liquidated, it go to exchange, and all these central exchange hold them for themselves. So basically, Binance, I think, on that one day they take around $8 billion into the liquidity. Yeah, so they take all this money for themselves, and this is how they manipulate. But with decentralized exchange, we share this profit what we get, and we put all this liquidation on our pool for liquidity. So basically, we can trade more and we can bring it down. Let me see more. Yeah. Yeah, so we cannot still trade on with TMX. Yeah, I see this question. And let's see last week. Yeah. So basically, yeah, when the TMX go live, we will trade on TMX every day. Yeah. But now we don't. How much do we need to buy, for example, on every 1000 TMX when it go live? So yeah, so basically that depends on the price what we will get. So let's say if Ethereum stay at $2,000 and the price of TMX token go to $5, yeah. So basically at that moment you will be able to buy, let's say how much, around 400 tokens, yeah, 400 tokens with just one Ethereum. But now, yeah, as I said, if you sell now one Ethereum, it's $2,000. You can get 4,000 tokens, yeah, now in private seed base. Yeah. So this is what I want to say, guys. Take your opportunity, invest, buy now, because yeah, you will probably, if you miss this opportunity, as I said, later it will be much more expensive, and you will need a lot of Ethereums, yeah, to buy more TMX tokens. Yeah. I see. Jay, how much? So yeah, as I see this question, how much I'm confident we will reach 1 million. So yeah, as I said, we are not fixed with that 1 million amount of the raise. So basically we can go with 300, 400, $500,000 because yeah, with that money, will just bring more liquidity on the day one and for later buyback. But yeah, from our side, we are not depending on that money. Yeah. So basically, we are not depending to raise full $1 million. As I said, it will be great, but yeah, from our side, it will not impact too much on us. And yeah, we already financed most of the decks. So basically, for the next step and next bring, it will not take too much from us. But yeah, as I said, I would like to raise this 1 million, so it will be, let's say, really big goal for us as a team and all our guys who we already have with us. But yeah, as I said, it's not fixed. So yeah, this is why we have this open. Also, yeah, I see one more question. Yeah. Yeah, for the liquidity providing, there will be liquidity pool. Yeah, so basically it will be pool. So you will just need to put your USDT and it will all go in the same pool, and you will be able to put liquidity on. So you will not need to choose, let's say, Ethereum USDT pair, Bitcoin USDT pair. It will all be fully automatic, and program will automatically diversify this for us and for the traders. So yeah, guys, I see we answered this first part of the questions. I see you guys get excited. Yeah, so I'm really excited about this Munich meeting, and yeah, to meet people in live. So yeah, we love to do this and to get feedback from the people, what they get from the trade tribe and where we're going next. So yeah, so let's go to the charts. This is what I do every day. So I'll now show you guys what we have on the market now. Yeah, so basically Bitcoin now is still pump and dump. Yeah, so it's taking all short and long orders back down. So as you can see now on the daily chart, we see this retest of 78k, almost touch my line. So basically now this 81 almost touched it. So yeah, they are taking liquidity down here and they're going up to liquidate these short trades. But yeah, as I said, this is our long-term support line, $84,000. So now we are looking up the call about. At Friday we have I think crypto meetup at White House. So basically at that point, yeah, there will be probably some manipulation on, but yeah, they are speaking about maybe to go with 0% tax on the crypto in US. So that will be really great. At that moment, yeah, I think Bitcoin can go to 110 easy. Yeah, but yeah, as I said, for now, we are just holding that support and we are just taking some liquidity in two-way. Yeah, so as you can see, this was really big manipulation going to 95,000. So 95,000 was previous support, and from that moment we just come back into the $85,000 support line. So as you can see, Bitcoin is manipulating 10,000 up and down. But yeah, as I said, for now, this is still good buying position. As I said, if you manage to take this lower part under 80k, it was really great. But yeah, as I said, there is always dangers to take all these support lines. So if you can see here, this was previous resistance lines of 73,000. Yeah, when we break 73,000, everything go up. Yeah, so for this at this moment, there is still small liquidity here. If you can see between 73 and 80k. So now half of it was already taken. But yeah, as I said, with this week, there is still possibility if we see some bad news that we will go into this 75k range. And from this, I think that will be really big push up. But for now, if you are collecting, if you are buying, if you are DCAing, it's still good buying for entry point. On Ethereum, as I said, Ethereum is still slow. It just come back under this line, what we have before this big push up to the $4,000. Now holding around $2,200. It's still dumpy, yeah. So if you can see, we just take this line under $2,000. So there was most of liquidation happened there, yeah. So as I said, there is still possibility we will see some period of the time holding at this area. And when we break about 2,700, this is moment when Ethereum will recover and go really high and really strong. But yeah, from this moment, this is still good buying position. And if you already go with TJ event, as I said, buy now Ethereum, hold them. And when we go with TGA, you will have some cheap Ethereum to buy more tokens on. So yeah, but for today, we will go with live trading. We'll try to catch up something on 1 minute. Also, yeah, for Solana, guys who want to ask me what's happening with Solana. So yeah, basically Solana come back to this support line of $120. So if you can see, it was holding for a really long time on this line. So this is really strong support here at this area. So if the price come back into the 130, 120, this is your good buying position. As I said, there is still possibility to go to the $80, but yeah, as I said, this need to be really, really strong dump and really strong push down. But yeah, as I said, for now, it's still good buying position and you can benefit really good. Also, yeah, from our guys, I love to trade this Ondo coin. Yeah, Ondo coin now looking good, just finding some support lines. So yeah, if you're ready to buy some Ondo, now it's really good time. So basically DCA in this price of $1 and later you can see some really good results. So let's go to our job. Let's go into the 1 hour time frame. Let's see what we can find. So basically we will go now on Solana. Yeah, Solana finding some resistance. Just in 1 second. Give me 1 second, let's check it. So basically, if you can see at this point, this is still resistance line. So basically, Solana tried to break it in just this hour. So as you can see, they just take the liquidity up, and there is big possibility that we will see some continuation into the dump because the price is still not managing to break above it. Also, when you go with these altcoins, it's also always good look what Ethereum is doing now. So from this point, we will just check this out. So for the Ethereum is also the same stuff. So they are taking liquidity up in few ways. If you can see now, this is still strong resistance line. And also on this line, what's happened here, we see this big wick. This big wick also filled this week before. So basically this week is not good for the trading now. But yeah, as I said, for now, as we're looking up, it's still consolidation phase and just maybe preparing for the next push up and next breakup. As I said, in this case, when we see some rejection few times in a row, there's big possibility that we will see maybe breaking down and finding some support at $2,140. But as I said, for now, this is no trading for me on Ethereum because it's still consolidating and we cannot see some clear move up. For the Bitcoin, yeah, if you can see Bitcoin just holding under $90,000, yeah, we just see some resistance line up. So basically from this point, I think there is big possibility that Bitcoin will also go lower at this area. So we are now looking up for some short trades. So let's see what's happening now with Solana. Let's go on 50 minutes. Yeah, so as you can see on the 50-minute chart, yeah, we see some long-term resistance up here at this area of $150 and also on this lower side. So if you can see here, we see some few rejections on this area, also some support here. So yeah, so basically this now shows as a strong resistance from this area, and this could be also good for the short trade. Yeah, so short trade means that we will trade that the price will go lower. So now we will just go into the 5 minutes, see what's happening. Yeah, so if you can see here on 5 minutes, we are still get rejected. So there is big possibility that we will see continuation into the drop and maybe seeing lower price. So if you can see now, it's just going down a little bit lower. Let's see how much we can benefit from it. But yeah, there is big possibility that we will retest this line here of $144.5. But yeah, let's see how this trade will go. Then when we see that now it's looking good for the short trade, we will go on 1 minute chart. On 1 minute chart, we're just finding some support. If you can see here. So now we will see will this line will break down. So yeah, as I said, now it's looking for the breakdown and going into this lower support line. Let's see how this will finish. So from this point, we will now go into our funded account. We'll go for Solana. And we will go on 1 minute. Yeah, that's it. So basically, if you can see here, yeah, from this moment, yeah, just holding at this support line, going to the new order. 40. So now we will just check, will this support line hold? So yeah, as you can see here, just continue the drop down. Let's see how this minute will finish. Will we go lower from this point? So as you can see now, we just make this top up. We just find first support, lower high, and now we are looking up for the lower low. So there is possibility that this will hold, but yeah, as I said, it's still low and the market is still really slow. So yeah, there is big possibility that we will see some smaller drop down and some rejection. So yeah, let's see how this minute will finish. I think yeah, we see some rejection. 2 minutes go. As you can see now the price is dropping. So from this moment, let's check once more how this minute will finish. But yeah, this is clear rejection, and this is what we see most of the case by the end of the trading day. So basically, it just take the sell off from the trades and from the positions, and then go into the lower. But yeah, now I will just show you one thing. Yeah, so as you can see, we just touched the support, long, short-term support line. So yeah, as you can see, these indicators are really good. So basically, they show us where the support is, and as I said, when we get these few red signs that we will see the drop into the price, that moment we go lower. Yeah. So now we will just see how this short support time hold. This is long-term support line, so there is big possibility that we will visit this. But yeah, from our side, from this could be support line. But yeah, see if this break down, there's big possibility that we will continue down. So let's see just once more how this will close. Will this hold as support or it will go really lower? Yeah, it's going down. So yeah, so from this perspective, this looking like some support line. So basically, this looks like that we will find some support here because we take few these trades up and we will look up. But what is very important? It's very important to find out the momentum when we see the breakdown. So basically now this short-term support holds. So if you can see here, this green line still holds and we didn't see the clear breakdown. So if you can see now, this was maybe good for some small long trade, but yeah, you will see. If we find the breakdown under this line, there's big possibility that we will go even lower. But yeah, if you can see now, it's just giving some momentum back down. So we just find some support here. So let's see how the market will now go. Let's come back into the 5 minute. So yeah, on the 5 minutes, it just looks like we take some liquidity down, and now we are looking up, come back. But yeah, as I said, as always, you need to always watch bigger perspective and where the price is going. So now, when we see this push up, taking some liquidity up, there's still big possibility that we will retest this push up, and retest is at this price. Basically, if we take this trade here, hold it until this, yeah, it's around 0.5%, almost 0.5%. So basically, this is really good for the bigger trade. So if you invest $200,000, this is around $1,000 in profit if you go into this position. But yeah, as I said, from this moment, We're just finding some support here. So let's see, will it manage to hold? Yeah, guys, so this is what I do every day. So as I said, it just need to be patient, just need to follow up what's happening on the market. And from that, when you see some good opportunity, it can go really fast. Yeah. So yeah, as you can see now, just find some support here. And let's see, will it be just liquidity taking? Also, yeah, you will now see this chart, and let's go to the Bitcoin. Yeah, in most of the case, most of the charts look the same. Yeah, so basically, if the Bitcoin is ready to make lower low, that point, most of the coins will follow up. This is also Ethereum. So if you can see now, they just take some small support and now looking for the breakout. But yeah, as I said, from my perspective, yeah, I'm looking up, find some support here. So let's come back into the 1 minute. So yeah. So if you can see now, we just find this support line, and now this old support line becoming resistance. So if you can see, we see support here, just holding up, and now go into the lower, and now this is finding as resistance. If they break this up, then we will see continuation into the push. But yeah, if you can see now, we're just still fighting at this area. Let's see how this minute will finish. So yeah, we're just looking up for this line. So let's see, will it hold? It just looks like small breakup, and there is it, yeah. So yeah, so let's hold it. Let's see, will it be just liquidity grab? So yeah, so basically this support line hold, and if you can see this green button, it just shows that price will go up. It also show us this short-term support line. So yeah, as I said, now it's looking really good for the line, but we now to see will it go to this resistance line? But yeah, if it go to this resistance line, we miss out this trade. So basically, we just miss this push up from this area. Give me this into this here. So now this is almost 0.4%. But yeah, if we come here, it will be more than 0.5%. Yeah. If you can see, guys, this is why we use these indicators. It helps us a lot. So they see sometimes the time stuff what we cannot see. But yeah, this is live trading. So as I said, as always, we need to follow up what's happening. We need to go with the trade setup and always follow your intuition plus technical analysis. Yeah. So as I said, as I see here from this moment, I see the price will go lower. It go lower to this support line, but this support line hold and we see bigger up price. So if I trade this as a short trade, we will be in loss now. But yeah, I patiently wait for a few minutes just to see where the price is going. And as you can see, its price just go 0.5% up. So basically, if we go with $200,000, we will earn $1,000 on this drop, and after it we will lose $1,000. So if you go with these two trades, but yeah, as I said, from this position, if you can see, it's really good setup. It was really good trade when we go from this line to this. But yeah, from this position as support line, now we are just looking up to go into this red line and to hold it. Yeah. So yeah, guys, I will not hold this position any more longer. So yeah, we miss out this trade from support from today. But yeah, as I said, always be patient, hold your positions, and don't overtrade. Don't overtrade anyway. So basically, if the trade is not looking as you want, if trade is not calling you to take the trade, don't take it. Yeah, basically wait for your position, wait for your signals. When you get them, put it into the trades, and you can benefit the bets. Yeah. So yeah, so as I said, guys, we will meet all into the Munich on Saturday, and it will be really fun. I will also update you all, guys. We'll post some few videos. It will be really interesting. Yeah. So basically, prepare yourself, prepare the questions and everything. For me, me and the team will be there. So yeah, as I said, it will be really fun and really exciting. So yeah, as I said, we're all waiting for this, and yeah, don't miss out this private seed phase. You can be the stakeholder of next big crypto project in DeFi.
So how we gonna go with the giveaway, Jake? So
Oh,
what the question gonna be today?
yeah. I think some guys prepare for this. Yeah, they prepare for the questions. Yeah, but let's go. Let's go. What was the lowest price of Bitcoin in last 4 years?
Oh, that's
Lo-
interesting.
Yeah, lowest price of the Bitcoin in last 4 years. Yeah, you can guys write in chat. Yeah, last 4 years. So that
Okay, I
was
see
until
37, 12. All right, so 500, 1500s. No, 15,700. 18K, 11K, 16K, 20, 20K.
there is some good answers. Yeah, let's see. Let's see. Is there any more? We'll
In
wait
last
some
4 years, so
chats.
we do not include 2020, right? We include 2021, 20.
2021 and late. Yeah, yeah.
Okay, okay.
So, guys, from the 2021, if you can see here,
So
so
no more
this was,
answers. We have
yeah,
just
I think.
we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All right.
Cody sent two numbers, yeah, 60 and 21. Cody, if you catch it, yeah, you will get half of the price, yeah. Yeah. So guys, this was the 2022. So as you can see, this was the lowest price at that moment, and the price was $50,476. Yeah. So this was the lowest price at that moment.
1500.
Yeah.
I
Let's just
see.
write it. $476. So yeah, so this was the answer.
Okay, so I think the closest
Muha
was Muhammad.
yeah, I think it was the closest. I
Yeah, yeah.
Nicholas
Also
write
Nicholas.
15,700.
Nicholas also, but I think Muhammad was closer.
Yeah, yeah.
All right,
Okay, yeah.
Muhammad.
So congratulations, yeah, Mohammed to you. Yeah, you got the answer. Yeah. So you will get.
Just where's the Muhammad? One second. Where is he? Okay. Muhammad, you with us? Just like I'm not sure if you already the member of the trade tribe or you with the TMX. So just like say a few words.
Congratulations, Mohammed.
I just unmuted, but he's not unmuted. Muhammad, you with us? Uh,
Oh, there we go. That's my guy. So I'll go ahead and I'll send it to him.
Okay,
so
okay,
Muhammad is
okay,
yours? Okay.
Yeah,
Okay.
yeah.
okay, okay. Yeah, so thank you guys, and yeah, see you in Germany, yeah, this week. So prepare the question, prepare your goodwill, and yeah, Jake will be ready, he will be there, Godfrey will be there. So yeah, it will be fun. So we will post some videos, some pictures, some feedback. So yeah, as I said, I love to see feedback from the people in live, in offline. So yeah, I think it will be a really great opportunity for all of you guys who are in Europe to see us and see where we are going next. Yeah.
Yeah, and also, guys, tomorrow 1 p.m. Eastern presentation. So that people who's interested in the presentation, in that like how it works, join us tomorrow 1 p.m. and we're gonna post the announcement as well tomorrow. So thanks everyone. Congratulations to Mohammed, and of course for Dave that he brings Mohammed, and Mohammed he just find out what the
Yeah.
price was. So that's the really cool. And yeah, so we'll
Yeah.
see you. And thanks Jake for
Thank
the live
you.
trading.
See you guys. Bye bye.